Hi, my name is Mulia. I'm a food and nutrition scientist at CIFOR-ICRAF and Nutriscapes. At Nutriscapes, our research focuses on the vital link between food, nutrition, and the environment, and our goal is to understand how these connections can enhance our journey towards sustainable food system, particularly in low and middle income communities. Our studies shed light on what's often overlooked in food system, which is the crucial role played by different ecosystems in ensuring food security and nutrition for local populations. For example, our research reveals that mangrove contributes to substantially higher fish intake among villagers living near them compared to villagers in coastal area without mangroves. In some forested areas of Indonesia, local people, even those living near city centers, when they live near forests, they treat forests like free, healthy supermarket. The removal of forests is likely to remove access to healthy foods from the forest people. And although they might have more money to purchase commercial foods, these aren't always healthier. If we don't recognize this fact, we may end up not only accelerating climate change by clearing forests and mangroves, but also contributing to worsening diets and health. We envision a food system that is diverse, sustainable, resilient, and integrated with the natural environment, particularly with trees and forests, to address the dual challenge of climate change and food security. Through our scientific work, we suggest several key strategies. 1. Diversifications of food production. A shift from the heavy reliance on few staple crops to a more diverse range of nutrient-dense food. This includes increasing the production of fruit, vegetable, nuts, and pulses, which many of them grows on trees. Diversifications not only contribute to healthier diets, but also enhance the resilience of food system against climate impact. 2. Sustainable agricultural practices. The new food system must incorporate sustainable farming methods. This includes agroforestry practices where trees are cultivated alongside crops and livestock, which can improve soil health, increasing biodiversity, and act as a carbon sink. 3. Utilizations of trees and forests. Trees and forests contribute to nutrient-rich food production, provide ecosystem services essential for agriculture like pollinations and water regulations, and help in climate change mitigation by acting as natural carbon sink. 4. Enhancing food system resilience. By integrating trees and forests into agricultural system, the food system becomes more resilient to extreme weather events and climate change. Trees often survive extreme conditions better than annual crops, providing a more reliable food sources. 5. Policy and investment reorientation. A shift in agricultural investment and policies from staple crops to more diverse, nutrient-dense food. This includes repurposing subsidies and incentives toward the production and consumption of these foods, which are often more sustainable. 6. Community engagement and local knowledge. Emphasizing the importance of engaging with local communities and integrating their knowledge in managing trees and forests. This approach ensures that restorations and conservation efforts are aligned with the need and practices of local populations, making them more effective and sustainable. 7. Forest restorations and conservation. Integrating food and nutrition objectives into forest restoration and conservation practices. This approach not only addresses climate change through carbon sequestration, but also supports local food security and nutrition. And finally, 8. Balancing productions and consumption. This includes public awareness campaign and social marketing strategies to encourage sustainable and healthy food choices.